Hey guys,
and welcome back.
We are
the H family, and today I am finally getting the sushi. It's been a while. I had a fall. I was in pain, still am, but I'm good. So today we are having the crunchy temptation roll, and then el fuego roll. Which is this one? Sorry, I should have just pointed out here. This one's a temptation one. And then the middle one is spicy California value pack. So, yeah. And got me some extra spicy mayo at the side. We're drinking some water. Oh, look at us. But, yeah. And I'm not good at using the chopsticks, guys, but I'm doing it for the video. So you see me struggling, you know. What you going in for? That one?
whatever this is.
That one's a crunchy temptation. So. That's good. And the one we just tried is sushi rice, temptation shrimp. Oh, tempura shrimp, imitation crab, avocado, sushi sauce, spicy mayo, and onion flakes.
Man, I'm tired today.
You want me to call him real quick from this phone?
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I have to make a call real quick. His co-workers was calling. I'm gonna call him from my phone since we're using his phone for the video. Which one did you try? This one?
Yeah.
How was it?
Good. What's up, brother? I'm at the hotel. 45. Yeah. Alrighty, brother. Duty calls.
The one that we just tried also was the spicy California value pack. Sushi rice, imitation crab, avocado, cucumber, spicy mayo, spicy powder. Next, we're going to be trying el fuego roll, which is sushi rice, spicy imitation crab salad, spicy mayo, avocado, hot... What? Morrita?
Yeah.
Morrita pepper sauce, spicy crunchy, and some jalapeno.
Oh, no.
Oh, it does have jalapeno. Look, this one's green and red.
No, I'm scared of the pepper.
Yeah, it's in here. You can see it. It's a big old piece.
No, the pepper. The pepper sauce.
Oh.
Here we go.
This one don't want to come apart.
That one's good. Oh, and it burns good.
Oh, yeah. Actually, it's good. Sorry. That is really good. We're on his during, this is during lunch break. It's 8:20. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go with another one of these. This is really good, guys. Oh, almost lost it there.
Ooh.
That's good. We got 2 of these, guys.
Oh no.
The other one's over here. It just didn't fit in there.
I'm over here like, no. Is that 2?
No, it's 1. It's just the end.
That ginger is so gross. I just ate a piece that was touching it. I'm sorry, guys. I don't like ginger. When it comes to sushi. I don't even know if you're supposed to eat it, or... Are you supposed to eat the tail? I don't know. Guys, there's no way that that's 1 piece.
I think that one's probably... But it's fine. If it's in your mouth, baby, eat it. I'm really digging this spicy... I mean, what is it called? El Fuego roll. It really has a nice kick.
I like the taste of the spice. This one.
Oh my god!
Moo fell off the bed.
Can you pass me that end of that one? And just put it down. Oh, not in those, sir.
Almost in the wasabi.
I was like, no, not in there. Oh no.
A bit sad that we didn't get anything that had cream cheese.
That's what I asked you. I just teleport. I'm gonna use your fork for this one real quick.
The HEB that we have over here,
Oh my goodness.
they only had they only had these. With
They
some
had one more.
exceptions. They had 2 more. The Texan roll, which was avocado cream cheese.
With salmon?
It looked like this. Looked like the California roll, but with salmon.
And I
cream
didn't like
cheese.
it.
It tastes so clean. Glacier water.
I really like this one.
Hope everyone has a great Labor Day. Shout out to all the blue collar workers out there.
I thought Labor Day is Monday. It's Monday?
I'm saying it ahead of time in case we don't do a video.
Which I'm sure we are. It's been raining on and off here a little bit. Not full on rain.
Right now it's clear. Like literally, it's almost like San Antonio rain. I call it pee-pee rain. It literally passes by and then that's it. I enjoyed it while it lasted. Be honest, guys. What y'all think about the intro and the outro for our last video? I'm still working out like how to edit and stuff. So I mean, it's not gonna be like professional, but we're teaching ourselves. I'm doing it all over my phone. We tried getting a laptop and it did not work out. Only for the fact that I'm not with like computers. No, I'm not that good. But with telephones, I can do something.
Alright guys, I have to reach over. Ooh, this one has a big piece of avocado. Oh, what?
That pepper sauce, it hits you like wasabi.
That piece that I just got from there, tastes like wasabi. Up to my nose.
That's what I'm saying about that one right now. The one I just got. Oh man. Sorry guys, we had to be gone. At the same time, people were talking mess and discouraging us.
Very. Girl, you keep throwing yourself.
One of my new shirts because they got me a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago. Like whenever I first started the job. Magellan, you know.
I got 3 of them for $15.
Which is, if you know...
They were used, but they only used them a
If you
couple
know the
times.
shirts, they're extremely, like, I mean, they're like $36 a shirt.
I don't know the price. I just know that they're pricey.
Oh, the wasabi stinks. I think I'm done with that red one. I messed up by getting that red one.
And you got it twice.
Yeah, I know.
Did my jalapeno come out? Yeah. Oh, this one's missing stuff inside it. Look, he's very hollow.
The jalapeno was on this side.
It's on this one?
No.
Oh.
Oh, the sushi.
There's soy sauce. You want some?
We were going to get pot stickers, but I was just like, no, I'm in a rush. Because
We didn't eat today neither.
I got off at 4 a.m. I had to go back in at 2. So...
And then he went to sleep at 6, so he stayed up to watch a little bit with me. Which I didn't make him, guys.
No, I wanted to. I'm on season 3, episode like 4 of Bridgerton, and then after that, we're gonna watch the one
With the queen.
with the Queen from Bridgerton. These girls, I swear. Oh, hard day at work today. Cannot wait till it's over. One, so I can sleep in.
Mm-hmm.
Which, by sleep in, I mean like 12 at the latest. Because for the past couple weekends, like, we've been sleeping in, and like our whole, like, well, because Friday is technically my Saturday, I've been like, we sleep majority of the day, and then we get up, and then we're up all night.
Mm-hmm.
So,
But because we're used to those hours.
yeah.
We're used to sleeping during the day and awake at night. What else? Gonna go see my mom. I don't know, like what I did, right? Saturday. I'm gonna see if she wants to be on camera, but she probably won't want to. That's how she chokes a lot on her food. I'm gonna take some food and go eat with her. The last time I went, I made her. Well, I think I said that already, right? I cooked for her 2 different well, technically 3 different meals.
I'm out for a couple days.
Mm-hmm.
Because it helps.
It was missing. No. Cream cheese.
Well, what do you mean?
Like, I wish we had one with cream cheese.
Oh, there goes everything.
You hold the tray? The tray's moving.
Oh no. Oh. What was that?
What? You might taste wasabi on that one. I did. What happened? Crunchy temptation. Onion flakes. What?
What's in it?
That one has sushi rice, tempura shrimp, imitation crab, avocado sushi sauce, spicy mayo, and onion flakes.
Cause something just fell out of mine, and it didn't look. It looks weird.
The shrimp.
Yeah, right there.
That's the shrimp.
Oh, sorry, guys.
It's a piece of the shrimp. I think we should save this one.
My favorite, hands down,
Has to be that end one.
the California roll. Second would have to be the El Fuego. Least, the spicy California roll.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing spicy about it.
It's just a spicy mayo.
And,
But it doesn't really taste spicy.
and then the dust is like tahini. Like,
oh, this thing is huge. You want this last one? Look at that. It's a big boy.
God dang, it looked like a, was it a dumpling?
Dumpling. Does not look like a dumpling.
Yeah. No, you're thinking of dumpling. Yeah, it looks like dumpling. Like on Panda Express?
Mmm.
Or not Panda Express, Kung Fu Panda. When he's like... Mumbo has the zoomies.
Oh, I'm getting full.
I think I think also being over the wasabi like this, it's like puts it in your nose before you take a bite.
Y'all like it with wasabi, guys? What? You got some?
Yeah.
Ooh. Stop. Why'd you get the big ones?
Well, I went to the back, like on the side where the waters are. Baby, why are you looking around so much?
I got thirsty. Almost half the bottle.
That's where I'm, like, literally right where I'm at.
Just about. I'm about to burp. Excuse me. But yeah, I did a lot of stairs today, guys. Been up and down the stairs.
Doing laundry.
Doing laundry. Taking the girls out to the restroom. I had done my hair, and then I forgot that it was raining, and I had to go out there. My hair got wet. I didn't have an umbrella or anything to cover it, so.
All of them are in the restroom right now.
Had to redo my hair. But I've been doing a lot of stairs, up and down, up and down, up and down.
I'm proud of her.
Because I struggled before, which I still do. You know, I am a big girl, but I'm doing it. I'm pushing through it. Get a little, you know, winded. Is that how you say? Out of breath. But instead of taking the elevator, taking them stairs. But yeah. It was a little harder this time, but because how I fell and my leg is hurt. But I still did it. Oh, I am full.
Yeah, we did good.
I'm so full. Still have this one, guys. I told him to get 4, but I didn't think that this one was a big one. This one came with more, right? Extra pieces?
Yeah. The value pack.
Whew. But, yeah. Probably save this for tomorrow. Maybe eat a ramen with it or something. I don't know. Guys, thank you for those that, you know, reported that person and stuff. I'm trying. I really am. I'm trying. And sometimes it's hard to block those people, you know? Like, yeah, and maybe it'd be blocked from the comment section, but it hits here and there, you know what I mean? So regardless, like, if we just automatically, like, I'm still gonna see it regardless. You have to go and look at it and read it to know. So, thank you for those that allowed me to take a day off due to that. And then the day before that, I had got hurt, right? It was the day before that? But thank you for those that had kind words and told me to push and screw them and don't listen to them trolls. They ain't got nothing better to say or do. But y'all are right. Maybe they're jealous of mine and Thomas's relationship. Can't say life. You know, we're barely getting back on track. But thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate all the love y'all have towards us and the support. Because, guys, y'all really, y'all are big support towards me. Even if Thomas says too, just like, I know that regardless, he has to say it, but I know he means it out of heart. But to hear it from other people, like, oh, don't listen to them, we love y'all, you're beautiful, and, you know, just keep doing it. But how about I tell Thomas to get up and go get the girls out, and then someone else gonna come on here and be like, oh, and I can't get up because I'm on this side in the bed and everything's right here.
So either way, I would have to get up anyways.
And I was just like, let me sit on that side, because he was also hot. He's all like, have the AC on, and I was just like, no, I'm cold. And I said, I sit on this side, I'll be on that side. No. And yeah, I can easily jump this over the bed, but then y'all just gonna see a whole lot of leg up, whole lot of feet. Oh, I'm so full. What else? Do you have anything to say?
No.
Just a rough day. He was tired, guys. He didn't want to wake up. Which is a good thing that I made him shower, you know, when he got home. Because usually he likes to just, you know, rest a while before.
Hey, made me seem all nasty.
No. You like to chill before you do anything. But I was just like, no. Take a shower first, then chill. It's just like that way you don't have, because sometimes he's just like, he comes home and chills, and then, you know, when you chill and you're tired, like you start dozing off. And then he hates it and it's like, man, I was already gonna go to sleep. Why you tell us? I was just like, well, I don't want you going to sleep all dirty. I was like, take a shower first, then come rest and chill.
Yeah.
But good thing, he usually also takes a shower, like a rinse off before work. He didn't even have time to do that today. He woke up like maybe 20 minutes before it was time to leave. And
then my boss tells the guy I just called, he tells him, you think you're going to be ready to be there exactly at 6? Or exactly at 2? Guy's like, dude, I just woke up. We get there at 2, wouldn't you know it? We didn't start until 4.
But yeah, I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Thank you for joining us. For those that have finished watching the whole video, thank you.
Thank you.
Finally got the damn sushi. Like what, 3-4 days later?
Oh gosh.
Which we would have ate it the days that we rested, but I was like, no. Like I said I was gonna do it, and I'm gonna do it on video, so I'm gonna wait. But yes, guys, love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have not yet, click on that notification bell. That way you can be notified when we make new content. We have some videos coming out soon. And then we've been getting, you know, prepared.
Inspiration?
Yeah. Seeing what's out there and stuff that we haven't done. Stuff that might be fun for y'all. So, yeah. And we've actually been saving the inspiration videos. That way we can go back and see exactly how it was. But still put a little kick of ours in there. But yeah, as always, don't forget to
like,
comment, and subscribe. We already said that.
Always share.
Always share. See you on the next one.
Bye.
You forgot yours.
Oh. Stay happy.
Stay hopeful.
Stay blessed.
We love y'all.
Peace.
I'm all red. Peace.
I swear this thing